meatballs. Sopas. Ready na ang sopas natin. Not the usual sopas, Pinoy sopas, because there's no hotdog. What I did, with meatballs. This one. These are the meatballs. You see? Sopas with meatballs. Hindi nga lang siya balls na balls. Pero pwede na rin. At least meatballs pa rin, diba? The rest, gagawin natin yung patty para may palaman tayo sa burger. Pang merienda. Mga 3 patty lang.